What kind of settlements and or fines do you typically see in legal cases where a commercial driver falls asleep at the wheel and hurts someone or damages something property?
Yeah, it's a good question. Driver fatigue in trucking cases is a real problem. It's an enormous issue in any motor vehicle accident case involving a trucker. We see it in the cases that we handle. From my point of view, the civil penalties that are imposed by the Federal Motor Carrier Transportation Administration are not that heavy. They're not criminal penalties. They're civil penalties against the individual drivers and the trucking companies. And it's the individual pieces of litigation that are the real hammer against trucking companies that, from my point of view, force the imposition of these regulations and safer tactics and safer operations for the trucking companies and for their individual truckers. And for a trucker, for instance, that's fatigued, may have sleep apnea, may benefit from, for instance, the type of equipment that you supply to all sorts of individuals, and the education that these guys and women who are drivers can get would be a tremendous benefit to all the consumers like you and I that are driving on the roads next to these commercial vehicles every day. So the civil penalties imposed by the legislation are not the real hammer. It's the litigation and the verdicts and settlements that are forcing these trucking companies to do what they need to do.